don't want the whole thing. Just give me a little bit.
No, no.
I'm gonna take it home and eat it.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning mga ka-everything. So ngayon guys, andito tayo sa sasakyan kasama yung asawa kong baliw. Ay! Stay. So ngayon mga ka-everything, pupunta tayo sa isang bahay maghakot ng ano, sabi ko na sa inyo kahapon, dadalhin na natin yung mga kagamitan, yung mga malalaki at mabibigat. Yung kaibigan niya pupunta doon, ilagay sa sasakyan niya yung isa na mataas. I really want that hair in your face down. I really want to get rid of it. Where did you put your electric thing anyway? Huh?
What electric thing?
To shave that. Or else I'm gonna use the dog trimmer.
The dog trimmers were my trimmers.
Well, it's dog trimmer.
Dog trimmer. You took two of them already. Big that engine is on that little boat.
Yeah, it's really good.
That's 7:30 in the morning.
Guys, I told Tommy Christmas tree, ilagay ko na siya because it's already bare. September, October, November, bare.
Instead of Christmas tree, we're gonna hang skeletons from it for Halloween.
Christmas tree with a Halloween ornament. It's just a Christmas tree, okay? The spirit of Christmas feels early. It feels good. Feels good to feel the Christmas spirit early.
It takes the whole special out of Christmas.
No, it's not. It's not. That means it's more special because you celebrate it so early, and when the Christmas day, it will be nice. What? And so yun. I do that. That's what happened when you have a Filipino in the house.
That's what happens.
Yeah, you marry a Filipina. Deal with it. Are you dealing with it?
Apparently.
Whatever you.
Although it's kind of dark, could be smoke.
It's a fog.
Seems to be fun.
It's a fog. It's a fog.
Seriously? Every time I brush my hair, you gotta do that?
Dunkin' Donut. We're in here, guys. Dunkin' Donut. Tommy, may bibilhin lang.
Okay.
Okay, are you
Want coffee
parking
too?
right? No, I don't want some. We're here, guys. In New Rochelle, ang bahay ni MaryAnn. And Dunkin' Donut. Hash brown. Let me try to call you if it's going to ring, oh? If you can hear me, okay? With the bonage. Answer? Hello?
Hello?
I hear you.
It's ringing, yeah. Dumawag na ka?
Oh, padungog na.
Ang sa balita dangan, sige kung tawag ka adlaw ang mga katubag. So, where is Andrea said something about Rowan? In the edge over there? That's not a P. No telephone naman. Ito yung TV guys na very old na gustong dalhin ni Tami. I just realized that this machine or this furniture have a speaker. Like a speaker over here, okay? And over here guys, it's a stereo. An old design stereo. Stereo, right?
Tape.
Tape? It's like, it's the old one. It go with this.
Yes.
It's crazy. So Tommy can rip this apart, take this off, and put his things. And just hide that if you want. Oh, I have to do that. Get that. Hold on, hold on.
Okay, looking good. Shoot the slide.
Yeah, just like
Shoot the slide. It's perfect.
It fits? Oh, fits good.
Yeah.
Wala na guys. Nilagay, kinuha na nila yung ano. Ito, itry ni Taming dalhin. Let's see. Sa ano. Ilagay sa sasakyan niya. Pero ito na. Ito yung tie ni Tami guys. Oh. Elvis Presley na tie. Kaluka itong si Tami. Pati tie may Elvis Presley. Maluka ka talaga. Tie yan lahat. Sa kanya. Kaluka. So, andun sila sa baba. Isabel just get in here. Yung kapatid na babae, ngayon pa nadarating.
Significantly newer than that one. Now, from when it's been home.
They've always mattered, all right?
Hello guys! So ngayon guys, aalis na kami. My husband is very something. But at least he says sorry.
Oh, right?
You.
Oh.
I'm kinda hungry. I don't wanna be
You
staying
got
here.
food.
I know, hon, but it's already 1. I'm hungry.
Yeah, well, I told you before. That's why I told you to have your breakfast. You didn't want to.
Well, at least I have food. Hold on. Angelo's over there. And these people, Rich, yung kaibigan, oh guys, si Rich, andito pala guys. He is here. We are going to ask him later if he's willing to meet. Just kidding. But yeah, we will ask him later. No, he cannot even do it because Isabel is still there. So, they are following us. Steven will meet us there. Yung pamangkin ni Tami at saka, ano, pamangkin and brother-in-law.
There's a monkey.
Pamangkin, like pamangkin is a nephew.
A monkey?
Pamangkin,
So you
nephew, or
call Steven a
nieces.
monkey?
I got it. That's what I'm saying, no.
I call you a monkey. Short monkey. Yeah, he's following us. You're following, right?
You following?
I'm following you.
Okay. Where is Rich? Yung mirror pala is andito sa ano, look. Sa car. Hopefully it won't break, guys. Oh, shit.
We just got Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Keep eyeing for any holes that I might miss.
Huh?
Keep eyeing for any holes I might not see. One pothole, that mirror's done.
Yeah. It's not good.
Squirrel, go home.
Slowly, honey. Slowly here, honey. There's a lot of pothole here.
Yeah, we're in a little back there.
Yung kaibigan ni Tami on doon sa likuran. Sumunod siya sa amin. Sumunod.
The doors heading southbound on the Connecticut Turnpike after exit 18, and the accident has been moved to the center lane.
Andito na kami guys. So ngayon, hintayin na lang namin yung kapatid ni Tami para mag-order para ilabas yung yung furniture kasi wala pa sila dito, yung kapatid, yung pamangkin at saka yung brother-in-law niya. Pero andito na yung kaibigan niya, si Rich guys. Si Rich. But anyway, I'm going to bring this outside para makapag-order kami ng dinner, early dinner, kasi para makakain siya bago alis, kasi alam nyo na, kawawa naman, diba, ginamit yung sasakyan niya, ganun. And I have to separate the tomato, kasi ipadala ko kay Rich. So, marami pa man kaming tomato. Ito, dito. Wala, hold it. It's my drop.
Yeah, you hold it one.
Okay, so here, we order something.
Salad? Trio Francais? Happy.
Well, I don't want the whole thing. Just give me a little bit.
No.
I'm taking it home and eat it.
Yeah, well, you didn't want to eat it here. I thought you would hang out a bit. But
I want to get home.
I know.
Ala, how you can put that in your thing that you want?
Well, it'll stay in there. I just got to throw the other stuff on
That's
the
why I gave
floor.
him the box.
But how much stuff is it here? There's way too much stuff.
No, there's not. There's one meal and a salad and a bread and a soda. I think you probably want the soda for right home.
That's good, right?
Good.
I was gonna get hungry, like while driving.
Yeah.
I'll pull over the side of the road.
They put plastic in here. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to eat it when I get home.
You want to put it on the floor there outside?
No. I'm going to just put the other stuff on the floor.
Yeah. Be that safer on the floor.
Much better.
Bye, Rich. Take care. Well, I have a party this coming 26. Karaoke. Just getting together. Karaoke outside.
Karaoke? Love it. I'm not that good at it, but I love it.
Well, we're not good. We just love singing.
Because it's fun.
Yeah.
What's your birthday?
No, Tommy's birthday is like
She's just having a party.
you're having just
Three
get
of her
together.
girlfriends, and my cousin's wife.
What day is it? What day of the week?
Saturday, 26.
Is that place open Saturday?
Come early enough so we can take care of that.
What's that?
Come early enough so we can take care of
All
that.
right. Sounds
I love you, baby. Dude. I love you, baby. Hello. Oy guys, andito na pala yung guys. Ibalik namin ito. Hoy, no. Yung is andito na. Ang gagawin ko na lang bukas is maglinis. Ito na siya. Yun, maglinis na lang. Yun na lang yung gagawin ko. Linisin na lang ito. And yun. Vacuum, ganun kasi maabog-abog. And then itong mga drawer is ilagay dito. Yun na lang. So meron na tayong furniture sa loob ng kwarto. Yan, we're gonna eat early. Huh?
That's fine.
Yeah. And that one is need cleaning really bad. Vacuum it is. And I can't wait to put the TV in there. Transfer the TV. So, ito na siya guys. Old, antique. Yun. Antique pa lang. So, yun siya. Ano naman siya? Maganda naman siya. Antique talaga. Pero, hello guys, good evening. Katatapos lang namin na kumain. Sumakit yung ulo ko Sa ito niya, sa ganun. Kasi langhap ko siya ng marami this time. Dahil sa sasakyan, nagsama kami, diba? Yun, kaya sumakit ulo ko guys, as in. So, mag-take ako ng alib kasi hindi ko kaya. Sakit. Talagang sakit. Plus, hindi pa ako tapos sa paglilinis dito. Pero, I think bukas na yun ay. Meron pa namang bukas. Head's killing me. So, ngayon, ando na yung TV. Ang problema, yung screen is hindi siya mababa. Mababa man yung screen, pero the problem is a problem. Yung screen hindi mababa siya, pero doon siya sa likod ng TV. Hindi siya sa harap. Dapat sa harap. Kaso, yung TV, yung stand niya is malapad. So, kaya yun. May mga wire pa dito, oh. Linisin ko yan bukas, and then lagyan natin ng decoration. Wala pa man akong decoration, guys. So, I'll continue tomorrow cleaning. Okay? Han? So, ito na yung living room namin, guys. Ang dilim, guys. Hindi nyo makikita. But yun na siya. Mayroon na tayong, furniture doon. But anyway, so ngayon, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yan, yun lang. Wala masyadong ganap. Ano lang. Bukas guys, i-ano ko na lang ito, linisin ito, at saka ilagay yung mga drawer niya. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Masakit yung ulo ko. Nag-take ako ng alib. Naging counting slightly okay naman siya. Konti lang. Magbihis lang din ako. And then, yun guys. So, pasensya na guys ha. Wala masyadong tayo. Naawa ako kay Rich. Kasi, may pala guys. Si Rich pala. May si Rich. Nagtanong ako sa kanya kung okay lang ba. Yan, sasabi ko niya, kumusta doon, na-excite siya about sa may maraming I know, matagal na to, pero sabi pa niya, interesado man siya guys, makipag-meet sa mga viewers, hindi sa mga viewers, isa sa viewers ko, pero alam nyo na, COVID, malayo siya, dito siya sa US, sabi ko pa sa kanya, baka next time daw, na baka pag uuwi kami ni Tami, who knows, sasama siya sa amin, pag sasama si Tami sa akin, sasama siya din sa Pilipinas. Nagtanong siya kung kailan. So, sabi ko, hopefully next year. Pero, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi pa talaga sure. Pero, hopefully next year uwi. Kasi takot pa kami sa COVID. Yun na nangyari ngayon. And, yun. And, so yun, na-excite naman siya. Hindi siya maniwala na ang dami ng nag-aabang. At saka, gustong makilala siya. Pero, alam nyo na, dahan-dahan tayo. At saka, sabi ko sa kanya na hindi naman lahat i-meet niya, pero lang, yung parang kung sino yung magustuhan niya, at saka kung sino yung maano ko rin na parang fit sa kanya, kasi alam nyo na ang daming hindi tayo magtiwala agad. So yun lang yung masasabi ko, hindi tayo magtiwala agad. Thank you guys so much for watching. Magbihis lang ako sa taas. And yun, tomorrow na lang tayo guys. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.